In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the oil pressure switch on your Acura MDX. For this demonstration, this sensor is located in front of the engine. Let's get started. To start with, we're going to remove the engine cover. Just pop it off. This sensor is located right here. We're going to start by unplugging it, pressing on the tab, and pull it out. Move the connector out of the way. Next, we're going to remove the oil dipstick to give us more space. Just place it on the side. Now that we have the oil dipstick out of the way, we can get ourselves a 24mm socket. Put it onto the sensor and loosen it. Spin it off. Get your socket out and take it out. And here's the old sensor. Before we install the new sensor, we want to make sure our surface is clean. So we're going to use brake parts cleaner and a rag. Spray some on a rag and wipe off the area. The next step will be to inspect the O-ring. Highly recommend to just replace it while you're there to avoid oil leaks. This O-ring has a groove. It slides into place, like so. Now that the O-ring is in place, we can install a new sensor. And for that, we want to make sure we start it by hand. Now we can torque our sensor to 16 foot-pounds. Now we can install the dipstick back into place. And now we can plug in the sensor. Make sure you hear a click. And now we're ready to install the engine cover. For this, you're gonna line up the cover. And push down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.